is unpredictable. Penalty is a situation where you expect the worst, but the best goalkeeper can change the outcome. The goal can change into a save when the preparation is right.
The same way in life, when a critical illness like cancer takes us by surprise, we only expect the worst to happen. However, with the right preparation, the right protection partner, you can change these expectations. Change the outcome. Win the battle against cancer.
The ICICI Pru Heart and Cancer Protect is your trusted protection partner in such times of need. It gives you the claim amount as soon as the illness is detected without any medical bills or hospitalization. And rupees 50 lakhs of cover costing just rupees 225 a month. The plan is really affordable too. Get the assurance of protection with ICICI Pru Heart and Cancer Protect. Because when you protect, you win.